Hello friends, welcome to Fun Learn with CG. Today we will learn capital letters. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for frog. G for grapes. H for hat. I for ice cream. J for joker. K for kangaroo. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nose. O for ox. P for penguin. Q for queen. R for rocket. S for sun. T for tortoise. U for unicorn. V for vegetables. W for whale. X for X-ray. Y for yak. Z for zoo. If you like my video, then like, share and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.